Headlights. More specifically, Volvo S70 V70 C70 Headlight. This is the third episode of the Volvo S70 Headlight saga. The first episode was the disassembly process. The second episode was the preparation. You might have noticed that there is no second episode. That is not entirely true. I already made the Volvo 850 headlight preparation video and it's about 95% the same. So that's the second video. At the end of the video, I will show you shortly why am I doing this. But I also made a whole video about the distance you see with your crappy old headlights and the distance you will see with refurbished headlights. Subscribe! The things you will need: some kind of glass cleaner. I use isopropyl alcohol, 50% diluted. Rubber gloves or nitrile gloves, so you don't touch the reflector and your hands stay clean. A Phillips screwdriver, a small hammer, T25 Torx and microfiber towel. It's actually much easier than the Volvo A50, so don't worry. First you have to check if everything is ready, because there is no way back once you open the reflector. You need the cable harness in okay condition, not like this one, like this one. The housing, check if the horizontal adjuster works. If it doesn't, you have to find another housing. The ceilings prepared with some kind of rubber preserver, the rear covers with the ceilings put back, the clips painted, and the glass in good condition. The glass is the only part you can use aftermarket if you are short on budget or you have no original source. If your glass is badly pitted, you can check my glass refurbishment video. Actually, this glass was one of the refurbished ones. So I think it's okay. The connector of the vertical adjuster and the refurbished reflector. First you have to put back the low beam cover in the reflector. You just push it in a bit and then lightly hit it with a small hammer or something. There is plus material in the hole because of the new coating, so it will be tight enough. Don't touch the reflector. Now you can put the bulb holder springs. They are a bit tricky. You have to cross them and they slide in easily, sideways. There might be some plus material on the reflector because of the recoating process. If it doesn't go on easily, don't force it, clean it a bit and try it again with a knife or something hard, sharp. Now comes the vertical adjuster's connector. You just push it until it clicks. This is your best chance to put the bulbs in. You will never have so much space in the future, so do it. Don't use those plus 50%, plus 100% bulbs. Your problem is not the amount of light, your problem is the missing reflective surface. More light means more heat. And your headlight and everything inside it is designed for less. If your cables are burned, that's probably one of the reasons. Don't use those bulbs in good condition headlights. Just buy some basic bulbs, you will see perfect. Now get the housing, put the cable harness in. This is a brand new original cable harness. I will put the product number in the description. You can buy it from your local dealer. Or if you know someone with some electrical skills, you can actually get a pair built. You can buy the sockets online and use the original connector. I'm coming soon with a short cable building video. So the cable harness. Just slide it in the housing and push it until it clicks. You can't mess up the direction. You can put the W5 W bulb in now. There is much space now, there won't be this much later. Also put the sockets on the H1 bulbs. Now you have to put the reflector inside the housing. There are 2 points you have to fix it. One is around the center top. It's a rubber connector. You just push it on gently and slowly. The other one is in the outer corner of the headlight. You just push it on until it clicks. If it doesn't go on easily, take it off and clean the hole. There might be some material left from the recoating process. Now comes the vertical adjuster. just put it in place and push the white plastic from the top. You can reach it from the back through the hole of the high beam. Just turn it and it's in place. Now put the sealing in the housing and put it away. Get the lenses and clean them properly with some kind of glass cleaner. If you leave any water spots, you have to live with them until you take the headlight apart again. And now put the glass on the housing. Start to put the black clips on. Start it from the glass. You put the clip on the glass and push it on the plastic housing. All of them. There are 8. Put on the rear covers with the reconditioned sealings. And if you have a headlight wiper, put the end stop on the bottom of the headlight. And you are done. Good job. But why did we do all this? I hope you watched my other video where I compared an old and a refurbished headlight. Now, with this headlight, you will see about 200 meters with your low beam and about 1 kilometer with your high beam. Before, you saw about 50 meters with your low beam and 300 meters with your high beam. In wet or foggy conditions, it's even worse. I built about 10 pairs of these headlights and another 10 pair of the Volvo 850 headlights. All my customers are pretty happy about the result, so I hope you also try it. Check the links in the description and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Don't touch the reflector.